Hello students, this is to announce a tie-up of Illuminate Minds with Code Academy. Now all the courses of the Code Academy will be available on Illuminate Minds app. You will be able to access all the courses and buy all the courses of Code Academy through the store of the Illuminate Minds app. Those who are new, I want to say to them that you can download the Illuminate Minds app by going to the Play Store. The first app that will be visible on the Play Store by the name of Illuminate Minds is our app. And then you can have access to our courses, or also the courses of the Code Academy. Apart from this, the courses of the Code Academy will be available at a much cheaper price, almost 1/3 of the price. And now you can attain hundreds of certifications within a span of 2.5 months. So there's a special offer that we are going to run for the next 3 days that will be available till 8th of March. So I will take you through this and will tell you how to access these courses and what all courses are available and how it is going to be beneficial for you all. So about Code Academy is the world's largest interactive learning platform to learn coding. So from here, you can learn all the courses that you have ever thought of regarding coding. Coding courses, 100+ coding courses are available, and you can do multiple courses within a span of 2.5 months. That's the subscription span that you will purchase from us and from our app. And through that, you can do whatever number of courses that you want to do, and you will not have to pay for each course. You will have to pay for the subscription that you will buy from us. So what can you learn on Code Academy? So there are subjects: web development, data science, computer science, machine learning, code foundations, languages like HTML, Python, JavaScript, Java, whatever that you want to learn. You have all the facilities and all the languages and subjects over here. Okay. So this is the screenshot of the type of the courses that you will have. So you have the backend engineers course, you have code foundations, computer science from beginner to advanced level. You will find every course here. Okay, this is again the glimpse of the courses that you will see on our app. You can go to the store of our app, the Illuminate Minds app, and then you will be able to find all the 100+ courses of Code Academy over there. Right, guys? So why learn with Code Academy? The best feature is that of learn by doing. So whenever you do certain thing and there are certain mistakes, then there's one theory portion screen. So there are 3 screens that will be available before you. Well, when you have enrolled into the course, one is the theory screen from which you can learn the theory. Second is the coding screen where you can do the code. And in the third screen, the output will be flashed. So if you do an error in the output, then they will immediately tell you, the pop-up will come that there's an error in the output and this is what needs to be corrected. Right? And apart from that, you will get a certification for each of the courses that you will complete. Okay. So let's see this video.
Buying a Codecademy course is just like buying a subscription of Netflix or Amazon Prime. On Codecademy, you get access to more than 100 plus coding courses and various programming languages. And the best part is the practice by doing approach. On one single screen, you get to read, you get to code, and you also get to see the output. You get cheat sheets for doubts, you have community forums for your queries, and you can also practice on the Codecademy app. Awesome, right? But how much does a course cost? 1 month subscription of a course is rupees 1500. Wait, watch till the end. How much time it takes to complete one course? One course takes about 2 to 2.5 months, and 1 month subscription costs rupees 1500, so that makes it 3750. Right? Wrong. Coding Store got you 2.5 months course subscription just for rupees 999. Still not sure? Or too busy to start a course now, but don't want to miss out on the limited time offer? Don't worry. Buy the course right now, activate the subscription anytime within 2.5 months because it's a one-time offer. Buy now.
So guys, to avail this advantage, what you need to do, you need to enroll before 8th March midnight. Then only this subscription will be for 999 for you. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you.